You know, that video here is not about dancing right now. You know, me there here I meditate. Madonna is big up on a nice clean self. Heart of love. Me there here I meditate, right? And somebody sent me a WhatsApp picture and said, if you look on this, and the person say, I don't know if me can, me no want to bring it up. Let me look if me can show no, and the person name don't show. The person sent me the picture, and this is what they typed. Me nah put nobody name out here in the public, cause let me cover the person face and the person name. Oh shucks, it come off. All right, let me try cover the person name. You see where the person sent is a picture, and if you see where the person said, this is what. Let me read what the person said. They send me. You go see the person name, cause me don't want to get myself in a trouble. See the picture there. This is what they send me. They bought my business and they send me. And if you look on the picture there, CMR and the pan in stepdaughter bottom. And this is what the person said. Look which part him and they. Let me tell you, you see me not really watch people like that on social media. But sometimes you see and you hear some things and it kinda like this need to stop. We need to talk about these things. Some of them something here is not with business. But me gonna tell you now what is the problem. As a blogger, as somebody, content creator, somebody we talk about things. Sometimes we have to shed light on certain things. Because if we don't, we've been living a silent throughout our life before internet, right? A whole heap of things used to happen now we never know. We need to start put people to the forefront for the things that will happen in our life. We need to start call them out. No, me not living at the house. Me no know what happened. Me never did it. Me not judge none of them. Me not same do it. Me not same not do it. And none of that. But just for instance, say it happened. And the little girl go and tell her teacher as them say. Why is it that you have people on the media and do the little girl like that? Why? What she do? Like if it happened to her and it she say it happened, what reason for you don't know her? And they on the media do her like that. Say a lie, she a tell little girl to lie and this and no don't know her. The people them with on the media talk, them don't know the little girl. But this is one situation where if you class the man, me not have no problem with it. I don't. But the fact of the matter is that these are the reason why a lot of children live in silent and don't talk. You cannot be on the internet. Listen, this child is not, she's not 2 or 3. She's a teenager. Why is it that you are saying that she's lying? That's not right. Them something you no right. You no dep on the internet and attack the little girl like you no do that. You no do them things. We are big people. Enough people go through a lot of these things from early in a them age, and these are the reason why them afraid to talk. When is it is going to stop in our culture? When is it that we're going to stop do certain things? At least if you're gonna speak on it, make it make sense. You weren't there. You cannot be putting your head on the block talking about this child is lying. Like, why would you do that to the child? Why would you do that? Well, don't talk about none of it. Don't bring none of them down, because if you feel like the father is right and the child is wrong, what rights do you give her? She was the one who speak. I rather leave the situation, but my God, this child is she's on the internet and she's seen everything. You know what that can do to her mental? Knowing that you are attacking her for her rights, if that's her right. if that's how she feels, if that's what truly happened, you are there. You are guilty of anything that, you know what she can go do to herself? Think about it. Think about this. Think about that. Why, if that were your child, if you, the woman them were there in the comment section, I say a lie, she a tell. If that were your child, picture yourself in that situation. Picture yourself. Were you gonna say that the man that you're sleeping with, a lot of these women out here defend man, them defend them man for the things them where them might do, then defend them. They must sleep with their own enemy, and I do them own pitney them something there. See Queen Africa come out where they are and say that happened. You think so me I go say it never happened? Hmm? You think me I go say never, my own family do that to me? You think me I go say that never happened? Leave the people them pitney alone and don't make the pitney go do something to it. Like come on now. Come on now. The person send me the picture this morning and say, when me think, look which part him and the pan her bottom. That is not right. Whether if you were a father or not a father, taking a picture and have your hand pan her bottom, put her hand around her neck, just give her a hug. Or keep your hand at your side in your family picture. Put your hand upon the bottom. Yeah. Me about my business. I first somebody me no interfere with people business like that. Me no get too deep. Me see I'm blind here and there, and that is our problem in this community. We don't talk about the things, and when we do talk, people come and say, "Leave the people in business alone." Ah, oh no, make things now fix. Some of uno make things now fix. Me understand that some of them go out of proportion because them are run with things, the narrative, and them now look into things where it can be worse and people get hurt. Like you have to be mindful that they're somebody young in this, and they can take this to the another level. Like respect, respect. We don't know the situation. Why is it that we are going to say the child is lying? Like leave the child alone. I mean, him is a adult. Let him deal with it. Let him deal with it mentally. But she is like she young, and she know these things are happening. She must have a phone. I would have advised her mother to take her phone away from her because this is not something that a child is supposed to be going through on the media. It's not right. Think about it. I want to think about own children. Them don't do this to people, Pitney. And adapt my have to say. And if you don't feel the same way, let me know in the comment section. Madonna's not tell me if you don't feel the same way. I rather don't say anything. I don't put a comment under nobody video because I don't know the truth. I'm not saying she's lying. I'm not saying he's lying. I prefer stay in the middle. That when the real truth comes out, because me hears the camera in the room, but then me hear so the camera don't keep recording. The camera only can view. We don't know. We don't know the whole situation. Why are we going to we understand say a lot of us go on speculation. But why is it you go say the little girl I lied? What proof do you have? What proof do you have? There's a lot of parents like this too. When a situation come out and the child go out and them talk what really happened, and the parents, and then come home, the parents beat them, they maybe know say they are the kind of parents that they're afraid to go to and talk to. And a lot of people don't realize that some kids are afraid to talk to their parents because them parents are, Chrissy seems like a very strong woman, like, like she direct and she rough. Cause me hear she bad up her husband sometime on TikTok. So at the end of the day, she seems like a very, you know, outspoken person, direct, and it can come off harsh. I do that too, I'm not gonna lie. You understand? So kids can be afraid to have that vulnerability with them parents. and then turn to somebody else because they are going through things in silence. So she go and tell her teacher, Wagwan, allow her to speak. You cannot be tearing her down. Is a reason why she not go tell her mother. Is a reason she maybe know that her mother might not believe her. And she wants somebody to talk to. That little girl seems very quiet. She seems very quiet. So why is it that you're going to tear her down? Don't do that. Don't do that. We are woman. And the woman, they mostly attack so. The woman, them when you look all in at the comment section, the woman, them like, come on, you not have pitney. You not have one sister we go through them something here. So instead of you speak on something where you're not sure of, why you are going to jump on one side and say a lie? This is where you be silent and watch things played out. Don't quick to take sides because we don't know. You see, in our black community, we quick for tear down with one another so much. Like, when is it a go stop? Like, when you not see the other community, them they not stay so. I just we alone. And we alone quick for jog down with one another. People need to talk about this. Like, when is it that we're going to wake up and realize they come like so we are eat some food where I take away every little humanity out of we. I must the food because me no know. This is terrible. But then I was gonna tell me what I think in the comment section. It hurt me because I have been through things. I know a lot of people that is struggling in silence because of this kind of situation. Leave the child alone. Leave the child alone. You don't know. Come on.